Hello and welcome dear students. I am Nandlal Singh, your mathematics mentor, Bhagwat Vidyapeeth Chhapra. Students, in my previous video, I have solved in exercise 16a up to question number 7. Now, in this video, I start with question number 8. So from question number 8, exercise 16a, all of you have done the questions itself after my completion. You have also solved the question by your own. Now, question number 8. It is said that question, the length of parallel sides of a trapezium is 3:5. Find the distance between, and the distance between them is 10 centimeter. If the area of trapezium is 120 centimeter square, find the length of its parallel sides. Now, in this case, you can see that the sides are given in the ratio. So we are going to use as a term as a x. First, for our convenience, we make a rough figure of that. Let's suppose A, B, C and D is a trapezium whose parallel sides are in the ratio. Side 1 is we can consider as a ratio part 3x, side 2 is as a 5x, and the distance between them, what is the distance between them, is 10 centimeter, and area is 120 square centimeter. So area of trapezium is equal to 120 square centimeter. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 sum of the parallel side into distance between them. So it will be 5 centimeter. Side 1 plus side 2 is 3x plus 5x. Into 5 is equal to 120 centimeter. 1 centimeter is cancelled by the, therefore 24. Now 8x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 upon 8 is equal to 3 centimeter. Now side 1 is equal to 3x. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 centimeter, and side 2 is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15 centimeter. These are the parallel side. And what is the questions asked? The length of parallel side. So we determine the length of parallel side. One is 9 centimeter and other one is 15 centimeter. Now we move to the question number 9. The question said that the parallel sides of a trapezium are 14 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. If the length of each non-parallel side is 5 centimeter, find the area of trapezium. Now, for convenience, we are going to draw a rough figure of that particular questions. Two parallel sides are 6 centimeter and 14 centimeter. and length of non-parallel side is 5 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. Now, for doing this question, we need a constructions. You can see that I am going to draw a line which is parallel to AD, A, B, C, D, we consider E, and another a perpendicular distance between two parallel line, we can consider anything else, P, F, anything else. Now I am going to use parallel line property. So this line is parallel to this line, so it becomes a parallelogram ABED. So therefore, and AB is also parallel to DE. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So here 6. Now total distance is 14, in which DE is 6 centimeter. Therefore rest part is 8 centimeter. So we can see that after drawing a perpendicular in isosceles triangle, the base will be divided into two equal half, because both two triangles are congruent. You have read in class 7th congruency. So on the basis of that, we can consider as 4, 4. So first I am going to determine the height of BP in triangle BEC. In triangle BEC, now I am going to determine the length of BP. BP is equal to under root h square 5 square minus 4 square, that is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 3 centimeter. So this will be the height of the triangle and also the height of the trapezium. Now simply I am going to use the area of trapezium, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are already given, 14 and 6. So 14 plus 6 into distance between them is 3. So 1 by 2 is 20 into 3, that is equal to 30 square centimeter, because in this case we are going to determine the area. Now what is the questions say to us? Find the area of trapezium. So the area of trapezium is 13 square centimeter. Now we move to the question number 10. Question number 10. This is the question number 9 and this is the question number 10. Area of trapeziums is 1 centimeter. Area 91 square centimeter, and the one parallel side is longer than the other by 8. So we can write the formula as sum of parallel side into distance between them is called height, 91, and one side is longer than the other by 8 centimeter. So we consider x plus 8 into distance between them is 7. So therefore twice of x plus 8 is equal to, therefore 26 minus 8. You can write here centimeter, because 1 centimeter is cancelled to 1 centimeter. So centimeter is there. Twice of x is 18. X is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore first side is, I am going to consider the side 1 as x, so it will be 9 centimeter, and side 2 is x plus 8, that is equal to 9 plus 8, 70 centimeter are the parallel side of the given trapezium. Find the length of AB and CD. So both are the differ by 8, so we have determined the side as 9 and 16. Now the question number 11th. Find the cost of watering the trapezium field of parallel sides are given and the height are given and the rate are given. So now you just simply you can see that the cost is given in per meter square. So naturally we are going to determine the area and multiply it by 4. So simple, in one statement we can write the cost is area into rate. Area we can determine 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides are given 10 plus 25, 10 plus 25, and the perpendicular distance is 15. Now in this case, in this term I am going to multiply it with 4, and after calculating whatsoever the answer is coming rupees, so here 35, 30, that is equal to that is the cost of total to determine the watering of trapeziums. So that's all for the video. Now in next classes we are going to solve exercise 16b. So take a look and solve once again more exercise 16a by yourself. Thank you.